Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best internal bearing puller is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any mechanic's arsenal, but it's a lifesaver when you need to remove those stubborn bearings. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, having the right internal bearing puller can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of internal bearing pullers to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech 16 PCS Blind Bearing Puller Kit. This 16-piece kit from Orion Motor Tech includes everything you need. It comes with a slide hammer and various adapters. It's designed to handle a wide range of bearing sizes. The tools are built to last. Made from durable steel, this set can withstand tough use. The cullets are especially strong, designed to handle stubborn bearings. This tool set is versatile. It's designed to remove bearings and bushings from many different vehicles. It removes parts without causing damage. Using this tool is straightforward. Simply fit the right collet and lock it in place. Then, use the slide hammer to remove the bearing. For more delicate jobs, you can use the counterstay. The kit comes with a blow-molded case. This keeps all the tools organized and easy to carry. It makes storage simple and convenient. What we like. This kit comes with a comprehensive 16-piece set, giving you all the tools you need for various jobs. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, even under tough conditions. If you have a variety of bearing removal tasks and need a reliable, all-in-one solution, you should consider this. What people say. It worked great with no issues. It does get the job done, and has a good selection of sizes, especially on the smaller end. So far I've used it to pull several pocket bearings and bushings, and a couple seals out of a BW 1354 transfer case, and it has done the job well. Number 4. BILITOOLS 3-2 Jaw Gear Puller. Tired of struggling with stuck parts? This tool is designed to remove pulleys, gears, bearings, and more without causing any damage. It's perfect for various applications, from automotive to machinery. Made with heat-treated CRV steel, this gear puller is built to withstand high tension. You won't have to worry about breakages or bends during use. It's a reliable tool for any job. This 2-jaw gear puller can be reversed to pull parts from either the inside or outside. The jaws provide easy gripping and access to tight spaces. It offers flexibility for various tasks. The button makes it easy to change the puller into internal or external gear puller. This feature enhances its versatility and makes it adaptable to different situations. Choose from 5 different sizes to fit your specific needs. Whether you're working with small, medium, or large parts, this tool has you covered. It's a comprehensive solution for various projects. What we like. This gear puller features a robust 2-jaw design, perfect for gripping and removing bearings. Crafted from premium heat-treated CRV steel, it guarantees no breakages. If you are working on automotive flywheels or similar components and need a reliable tool that can be used internally or externally, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great tool for pulling any kind of pulley. Very nice tool and strong. I like that you can slide an arm off as needed, as it allowed me to install into a tight space. Number 3. BILITOOLS 6-2 Jaw Gear Puller. Are you struggling with stuck parts? This tool is designed for removing pulleys, gears, bearings, and more. It helps you get the job done without causing any damage. This gear puller is perfect for automotive flywheels, motorcycle wheels, and various other machine components. It's a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Made with premium, heat-treated CRV steel, this tool is built to withstand high tension. You can rely on it to get the job done without breaking or bending. The 2-jaw design can be reversed for both internal and external pulling. This feature provides flexibility for different pulling needs, making it easy to access tight spaces. The button makes it easy to switch between internal and external gear pulling. This feature provides flexibility for different pulling needs. Choose from 5 different sizes to fit your specific needs. Whether you're working with small, medium, or large parts, there's a size for you. What we like. This gear puller features a robust two-jaw design, perfect for gripping and removing bearings. Crafted from premium heat-treated CRV steel, it guarantees no breakages. If you are working on automotive flywheels or similar components and need a reliable tool that can be used internally or externally, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great tool for pulling any kind of pulley. Very nice tool and strong. I like that you can slide an arm off as needed, as it allowed me to install into a tight space. Number 2. Alltooetools Blind Hole Bearing Extractor Puller Kit. Introducing the Alltooetools Bearing Extractor Kit. This tool is designed for pulling bearings evenly without damaging the parts. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made from strong, chrome molybdenum steel, this extractor can handle tough jobs. The kit includes a long steel rod and a T-bar handle for ease of use. The kit comes with 10 different collets to fit various applications. These split collet type collets expand to grip the inner bearing race securely. This Alltooetools kit includes a sliding hammer, a 2.5 jaws puller, screw adapters, and a counterstay puller. It has everything you need for efficient bearing removal. The kit includes collets ranging from 8mm to 58mm, ensuring it can handle a wide variety of bearing sizes. It provides a reliable solution for various projects. What we like. The tool is constructed from durable chrome molybdenum steel, ensuring longevity and strength. It includes a slide hammer for easy removal and a wide range of collets to fit various sizes. If you are looking for a tool that can handle tough bearings and bushings with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The tool has been very reliable and does as described. I have removed very small and hard to reach bearing that have been pressed into a cavity. I used them to pull and replace bearings in a mini lathe and they worked well. Number 1. CMTOOL 3-Jaw Bearing Puller Tool Kit. Introducing the CMTOOL Bearing Puller. This tool makes removing bearings easy and efficient, saving you time and effort. It's designed for a variety of applications. This tool is perfect for automobile, motorcycle, and agricultural machinery bearings. It's versatile and easy to use. This tool is durable and built to last. The 3-jaw design ensures uniform pressure, preventing slippage and damage. This feature guarantees stability during operation. It's a reliable tool for any job. The forged and heat-treated steel jaws are coated for corrosion resistance. This ensures the tool's longevity and durability. You can count on it for tough jobs. Made from high-quality carbon steel, this bearing puller is built to last. It's designed for high strength and toughness. This tool is a great addition to any toolbox. The inner jaw range is 30 to 38mm, and the outer jaw is 16 to 30mm, ensure balance during use to avoid damaging the hook rod. It is not applicable if the bearings are rusty. What we like. This bearing puller features a 3-jaw design for even pressure distribution, preventing slippage and damage. The steel jaws are coated with a corrosion-resistant coating, ensuring durability. If you like a tool that offers stability and longevity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked great for pulling a blind needle bearing out of a Jeep transfer case. This is the perfect tool for that special job. Pulled the front diff axle bearing B2010 out. Excellent fit and function. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.